My cat. I have a Siamese cat. His name is Moby. He is asleep throughout the day and plays a lot in the evening. He likes to eat tuna.
What is the name of the cat?
The cat's name is Moby.
What does my cat like to eat?
He likes to eat tuna.
What does my cat do in the evening?
He plays a lot in the evening. The yellow dress. My favorite color is yellow. My mother ties my hair with yellow ribbon. On my birthday, Papa gave me a doll wearing a yellow dress. I want to have a yellow dress too.
What is my favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Who ties my hair with yellow ribbon?
My mother ties my hair with yellow ribbon.
What did my papa give on my birthday?
My papa gave me a doll wearing a yellow dress. Our neighborhood. Our neighborhood is clean and peaceful. We clean our yards every Saturday. We share our homegrown vegetables with our neighbors. I am happy in our neighborhood.
When do the neighborhood clean their yard?
The neighborhood clean their yard every Saturday.
What do they share their neighbors?
They share their neighbors' homegrown vegetables.
What does the writer in the story feel about their neighborhood?
The writer in the story feels happy about their neighborhood.